Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp notifications in the OPPO Find X3 Pro. So, if you don't see your WhatsApp notifications, always check at the start that you have deactivated the DND mode. So, open the top menu, expand the icons, and swipe to the right. Then look for the Do Not Disturb icon and make sure that you have this feature deactivated. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes you can miss it, so check it. After that, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and go to the app info. Then go to the permissions and check that you have notifications in the allowed. So if not, open the notifications and turn it on. After that, turn on the lock screen, banner, badge, ringtone and vibrate. All of these options should be activated. Now we can go back and it's time to open the data usage, enable the background data, and after that you can also go to the storage usage and clear data of the application. After that, log in again to your WhatsApp account and check the notifications. After that, you can also try to reset your network settings, so go to the additional settings, tap on the background reset and choose the reset phone. Tap on the network settings and tap on this button again. And in the last step, you can also try to update your system. So go to the Apple device, tap on the ColorOS. If you have an update, just download it and install. And this how it works. Thanks for watching, leave a like, recommend, and goodbye.